Okay guys, this is going to be interesting. I'm so excited the brand sent me this drone. I've never used a drone before. I'm a 58-year-old grandma. I don't even know how to use controllers. So I'm going to be learning a lot. What I really like automatically with this package is, first of all, the really nice case that it comes in. But then also they give you this handy cheat sheet. Can you see that? And so I will be using that to learn how to fly the drone. I also really like that they give you extra parts. There's a screwdriver, there's extra fan blades or whatever those are called. There's a USB cord in there for charging. So let me go learn how to do this, and we're going to have some fun and play with my dogs. Okay, so this first part, I had my phone in the little holder that's part of the controller, and I was too busy figuring out what buttons to push and kept forgetting to point the phone and the video camera at the unit. But it was a lot of fun, and I almost crashed it, and then at one point I almost lost it because it went off over the fence and almost into a tree. So it's going to take me a little bit more practice and a little bit more fun. My dogs weren't fans. So this part is when I was actually using the video recorder on the unit. So there's no sound, or maybe I'm sure there's sound. I just didn't have it turned on, but I was trying to get some video from the drone of my dog and see if I could chase him, but I also didn't want to crash it. But look at how clear that picture is. I love this thing. I am so excited about playing with it. And I go camping 1 week a month with my dogs. I can't wait to use the drone to take really good pictures of our campsites. I really like this thing. I can't wait to explore more of it. And I'm sure that my grandsons will want to play with it when they come visit too. Thanks so much for watching.